Satan's primary evil strategies include deception, temptation, accusation, division, distraction, pride, doubt, and despair. Deception involves distorting the truth and promoting falsehoods. Temptation appeals to desires, weaknesses, and vulnerabilities. Accusation and condemnation bring feelings of guilt and shame. Division and discord sow conflict and undermine unity. Distraction and worldliness divert individuals from spiritual pursuits. Pride fosters arrogance and self-reliance. Doubt and despair weaken trust in God and beliefs. Cultivating spiritual awareness and connection with God is important. Strengthening one's spiritual foundation builds resilience against temptation.